Hello, welcome to Think Big Digital. So today I'm about to show you how to delete your Facebook account. So the legal steps to delete your Facebook account has recently been changed. So let's get into it and say it now. So first of all, I'm going to open the Facebook app, go to your accounts menu, and then you will find settings and privacy. Tap on your settings and privacy, go to settings. At the left side of your account center, you will find personal details. Tap on your personal details, and again you have to find personal details here. From personal details, you will find account ownership and control. We want to delete our account, so we will tap on deactivation or deletion. This is the account I want to delete today, so I will tap on this account. And now we have two options here. It's deactivate or delete. We want to delete our account. Continue. And then it's up to you what reason you have to give here. I am choosing this first option, that I spend too much time on Facebook. Now just continue. From here, if you want to go to your activity log or download your information or transfer your information, you can just tap on these options and they will send your information in your email that's connected to this account. Then continue, and you have to type here your password. I have typed my password here, but if you have to remember that after 30 days you won't be able to gain your account back again. So if you want to get your account again, you have to log into your FB account between these 30 days. Then click on delete account. Now the account is officially scheduled for deletion, and after 30 days I won't be able to gain the accounts again. So this is all for today. See you in the next video.